Why a small dent can mean a big repair. You look at your car after a fender bender and you see one small dent. So in your mind, it's a small repair. Simple, cheap. But sometimes that one small dent is the tip of a much bigger story, and I want to show you why. Today I want to explain why a small dent on the outside can sometimes mean a large repair underneath, because this surprises people constantly. Here's the thing. The outer panel of your car, that's the skin. It's relatively thin and it's designed to take the first hit. But behind that skin is a whole world of components. Brackets, reinforcement bars, foam absorbers, sensors, mounting points, and sometimes structural members. So when that outer panel takes a small dent, the question is always, what happened behind it? Sometimes the answer is nothing. The skin took a minor hit, the structure is fine, and it really is a small repair. Great. But other times, that small dent means the panel transferred force to the parts behind it. A bracket might be cracked. A sensor might be knocked out of position. A reinforcement might be bent just enough to throw off how the panel fits or how the safety systems behave. There's another factor too, where the dent is. A small dent in the middle of a flat door panel is one thing. A small dent right at the edge of a panel, near a structural seam, near a sensor, or near a body line, can be a much bigger deal because of what lives in that area. This is why a good shop never quotes a repair based on a glance from across the parking lot. The size of the dent on the outside doesn't reliably tell you the size of the repair underneath. The only way to know is to actually look behind the panel. I'm not telling you this to make every little ding sound scary. Most of the time, small is small. I'm telling you so you understand why we inspect properly instead of guessing, and why we'd rather check and confirm than assume and miss something. If you've got a dent and you want a straight answer about whether it's simple or serious, bring it to Arts Autobody and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyanpaint.com. We'll look closely and tell you the truth.